up, guys? Matt here, Rolling Heavy Magazine. Well, it's been about a month since we put a video out, and not for lack of trying. We've got a bunch of stuff in the can, we just got to get it cut, but we wanted to do a quick one real fast because that has to do with what we're getting ready for, which is MoonEyes next weekend. That's right, the MoonEyes New Year's Eve show, or New Year's Day show. It's going to be January 22nd, Irwindale Speedway. We're going to have the booth there, a bunch of vans. So we're busting ass, seeing if we can get this A100 ready for the show. Now, one of the things we wanted to show you is, you know, we had to kind of tune this thing up a little bit. It's been sitting for a while. And, you know, you call any of the big four these days, O'Reilly's, Advanced, you know, AutoZone, Napa, CarQuest even. Nobody's really showing parts for these things anymore, especially if you're bone stock. So we're looking for a radiator cap. And we know that the STANT part number for that is SP Stephen Paul 17 or 12, based upon if you want a 12-pound or a 17-pound cap. Well, nobody can cross that number. If you call, they say the 17 number is an engine block and the 12 number is, what, I think a fuel pump. It's not even their system anymore. And the days of having a good old counterman, which has the books where they can just go and find the right number, is apparently long gone. But at the CarQuest in North Hollywood, we did find a guy that actually knew how to cross-reference numbers. So when we found we found the SP17 number, he was able to get us this. A CarQuest number right there, 10331 CarQuest. This is the right radiator cap for bone stock A100 with a slant 6. Now it is a locking cap, so it's a locking cap, but it is a cap that will work on your A100 if you're bone stock. If you call up there and say, hey, I need a radiator cap for 65 Dodge A100 with a slant 6, they're going to say they don't show anything, that there's nothing they can get. But I'm telling you, this 10331 CarQuest number is the right cap for a stock A100 with a slant 6 in it. So there you go, guys. We did the homework. We're passing it on to you. That way, if you need this part, you can find it. Because I looked on Rock Auto and they're not even showing radiator caps anymore. So that is our industry. Anyway, all right, guys, I'm going to get back to work on this thing. We got a lot to do between now and next weekend. But if you're going to be at the show, we'd love to see you out there. I know that the car show slots are already sold out. Vendor slots are sold out. But the spectator passes are still there. You just got to buy it in advance. You cannot buy those the day of. You have to have it in advance. So if you're coming, love to see you out there. That's it. We're going to get back to work. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us grow the channel. We've got a lot more content coming as soon as I can find time to edit it. So anyway, take it easy. Later, guys.